Hello students, how are you? It's a study time of science. Today, this video is on the topic of growing plants. Students, today I am going to revise this chapter. Quick revision we will do because previously I sent you many videos on this topic. Today I am going to revise again. Yes, plants. Plants are living things. They play a very important role in our life. They give us a lot of things to us like wood, oil, sugar, rubber, fiber, food, coffee, spices, etc. Many things they give us. There are two types of plants, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. According their living places, we divide into two groups, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants, plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. वो plants जो कि land पे grow करते हैं terrestrial plants कहलाते हैं. And plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. जो वाटर में ग्रो करते हैं उनको एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स कहते हैं. Different ways by which plants can grow. It means different ways by which plants reproduce. It means first of all, what is reproduction? The process of producing their own kind is known as reproduction. अपने जैसा ही और पैदा करना, अपना जैसा ही और बनाना क्या कहलाता है? रिप्रोडक्शन. बाय लिविंग थिंग्स. लिविंग थिंग्स के द्वारा अपना जैसा ही और पैदा करना, उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? रिप्रोडक्शन. प्लांट्स reproduces by different methods. It means different ways by which plants can grow. These are spores, underground stem cutting, leaves and seeds. It means plants can reproduce by these different ways. Spores. Spores are very tiny seed-like structures. Plants like ferns, mushrooms, moths, these reproduce by spores. Then underground stem cutting. Some plants grows by underground stem cutting like onion, ginger, potato, etc. These have buds on them and these buds grow in a new plant. Then stem cutting. Some plants grows by stem cutting like sugarcane, rose, etc. Their stem have buds on them and these buds grow in a new plant. Then leaves. Some plants grows by leaves. They grow buds along its edges and new plants grows from these buds and later they separate and they develop in a new plant like bryophyllum. Then seeds. Most of plants grows by seeds, reproduces by seeds. Like mango, vanilla, neem, mulberry, etc. These grows by seeds. Now, structure of a seed. A seed has hard outer covering around it. एक seed क्या होता है? सीड की चारों तरफ एक हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग होती है. दैट इज नोन एज सीड कोट. इट मीन्स सीड इज प्रोटेक्टेड बाय हार्ड कवरिंग. दैट इज नोन एज सीड कोट. सीड एक हार्ड आउटर कवरिंग से प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है, हार्ड कवरिंग से कवर्ड होता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? सीड कोट. इट हैज मेनी कलर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू plant. When we open it, inside it there is two seed leaves that are known as cotyledons. seed leaves or cotyledons. They store food for the baby plant, जो कि बेबी प्लांट के लिए क्या करती हैं, फूड स्टोर करती हैं. And inside the seed leaves there is a baby plant. Baby plant remains safe inside the seed leaves, and it protected by hard outer covering that is known as seed coat. And when it get favorable condition, a baby plant start growing. In the starting stage, food is provided by the cotyledons or seed leaves. स्टार्टिंग स्टेज में क्या होता है, प्लांट को कौन फूड प्रोवाइड करता है, कोटिलीडॉन्स, सीड लीव्स. देन इट स्टार्ट growing roots in the soil and it start making its food. Then dispersal of seed. How seed dispersed? Seed कैसे dispersed होते हैं? And what is seed dispersal? The scattering of seeds from its mother plant is known as seed dispersal. Seed का mother plant से scattering होना, उनसे दूर हो जाना ही क्या होता है, क्या कहलाता है, seed dispersal. Seed dispersed by different ways and that are known as agents of seed dispersal. That are known as agents of seed dispersal. It means seed dispersed by different ways are wind, water, animals and explosions. These are the agents of seed dispersal. Yes, wind. Some plant seed dispersed by wind, like hyptaes, cotton, etc. These seeds have wings and hairs on them, and they have light weighted seed that help them to float in the air. Water. Some plants seed dispersed by water, like coconut and lotus. These have fibrous outer covering and filament on them that make them light to float easily in water, to disperse one place to another. Then animals. Some plant seed dispersed by animals. These seeds have hooks and spine on them that is stuck on the animal's hairs or skin when they graze them, and when they take rest they remove, and this way they disperse one place to another. Some foods eaten by animals, and when they eat them, and these fruits, when they take out that wastage, these seeds also removed there. This way they spread one place to another place. It means animals जब फ्रूट्स को खाते हैं तो जो उसके बाद में जो उनका वेस्टेज डंग है वो निकालते हैं, तो उसके थ्रू क्या होते हैं, सीड्स भी निकाल देते हैं, और इस तरीके से सीड्स एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक पहुंच जाते हैं. इसके अलावा हम भी जैसे फ्रूट्स खाते हैं, कहीं फ्रूट्स क्या होते हैं, प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, हम कहीं से कहीं उसको कहीं से कहीं उसको हम लाते हैं और उसको खाकर और फिर सीड्स को फेंक देते हैं. दिस वे वी हेल्प देम टू डिस्पर्स वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. देन एक्सप्लोजन. सम प्लांट सीड डिस्पर्स्ड बाय एक्सप्लोजन्स. They have pods. These plants have pods. When pods ripe, they burst open. जब pods पक जाते हैं तो वो burst open हो जाते हैं, and seed is scattered in large area. This help them to scatter. Thank you. Have a nice day.